Continue to watch this video if you want to see how I made this delicious glazed ham. Stay tuned. Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm gonna make you some ham, some glazed ham. So this is my ham. This is what it looks like. It's already washed, it's clean, and as you can see, I haven't removed the wrap from it because you want your ham to stay in places. And I'm also gonna use some pineapple juice with my ham. This is 1/4 cup. And I'm also gonna use some ginger peel, some pimento seed, 1 teaspoonful all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoonful ginger powder, 1 spoonful, and some clove. This is 1 spoonful Scotch bonnet pepper, but this is totally optional. Some thyme and some garlic. So let's get started. So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I'm gonna add my pineapple juice, and I'm gonna also add my Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger and thyme, and all my seasoning. And the clove. I'm just gonna add everything. Garlic. Let's give it a stir. And now I'm gonna also add my ham. And you're just gonna leave it, guys, for 1 hour on a low heat. Hi guys, so it's been 1 hour and this is what it's look like. Guys, I'm telling you, my house smell amazing. Oh my days, if you were here, it smells so good. So I'm just gonna remove it from the pot and just allow it to cool. Just take your time. Perfect. So while my ham is cooling, I'm gonna make my glaze. So here I have 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, and 1 teaspoonful of black pepper, and 1 teaspoonful of ginger powder. So that's the pot for my ham. So what I'm doing, I'm just adding my pineapple juice, my sugar, and my honey. And you can always use brown sugar. You don't have to use white sugar. And my seasoning. Let's give it a stir. And I'm gonna also add some all-purpose seasoning. Around 1 spoonful. Give it a stir, and you're gonna leave it for at least 10 to 15 minutes until it became real thick. Then it's finished. So while your glaze is making, you're gonna remove the wrap from your ham. And you're gonna also remove the skin from it. And once you remove your fat, you're gonna need some slices of pineapple and some cherry and some toothpick and some clove. So first we're gonna add our clove. Just stick it It's gonna give it such a nice flavor. So my glaze for my ham is finally finished, and this is what it looks like. It is thick, and this is exactly how I want it. Smells so good, guys. So now I'm gonna add my glaze on my ham. So I'm just gonna pour it on my ham like this. And I'm just gonna add my pineapple and my cherry. I'm adding 2 pineapple. Sorry, I'm adding 2 cherry. Oh, days. And I'm just gonna add the rest of my glaze. And I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 30 minutes, 30 to 25 minutes, and 150 degrees. So this is what my ham look like. I just remove it from the oven. Guys, I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least another 10 minutes and 150 degrees. So stay tuned. So after 10 minutes, this is what my ham look like. Guys, look at that glaze. It's looking absolutely delicious. I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. So this is how my ham looks like on the plate. Guys, isn't that look delicious? Guys, just look at that. That look absolutely amazing. All I did, I just decorate around it with some cherry. So now I'm gonna cut through it and show you guys how it looks after I cut it. So now I'm gonna cut it and show you guys how it look. Guys, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. And guys, I tasted some and it tasted absolutely delicious. It was so good. I thank you all so much for watching this video, guys. Do enjoy. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye.